Coco, you've just been loving the sun. You let Freddy jump right over you. Anything going on? Just like the sunshine? Where is Freddy? I haven't seen him for many hours. Oh. Hanging out with the laundry detergent, huh? I guess that's the place to be. You sleepy? Single ear? Freddy one ear. Does his ear go up anymore? No. Well, it looks like you found a comfortable spot on the dirty laundry. Alright. Coco, you're just hanging out in front of the fire, huh? Yeah, you like to stay warm. Where's Freddy? Do you know where Freddy is? Oh, another cat yawn. We're gonna call this video Cat Yawn. Cat Yawns. Cat Yawning. Cat's always yawning. Alright. Oh, yeah.